Alright, let's go ahead and see how we can build MLOps with the AWS. So what is this MLOps? MLOps is like the creating the machine learning pipelines. You might have heard about the DevOps, so where the servers and the resources of companies managed. But in case of the MLOps, you manage the machine learning models efficiently. So in this case, like previously we had seen how you build your machine learning model, where you needed the input data, pre-processing of your data and the model deployment. There were many steps. But in case of the MLOps, you can combine all these processes in a single container things, and then this becomes as the MLOps. So we will see that how this MLOps happens at the AWS. I mean to say that how you can use this MLOps using the AWS services. So this is general process of the MLOps at the AWS, where you have your data stored at the Amazon S3, and then you train your model with the help of the Amazon SageMaker, and again with the help of the Amazon SageMaker you deploy your model. So during the deployment, you need to again use there the Amazon API gateway. So whenever you have model, you need to provide some gateway so that the people can reach to your model. So this is handled by the Amazon API gateway. Let's go ahead and see this in the detail how this happens at the AWS. You need to create their MLOps project. Then you need to list down all the AWS services which you can use for your MLOps there. Alright, then you can use these services of the Amazon, like the Amazon SageMaker, and the SageMaker is taking the data from the S3, and there are some intermediate steps which is actually followed during the pipeline building. Once all these things are done and your manager approves your model, then this model goes to the Amazon SageMaker endpoint. So this Amazon SageMaker endpoint also upload this data to S3. In fact, during the training, this data is uploaded on the S3, or the model is actually uploaded on the S3, so that it can be taken later on from the S3 as the data there, model there. So once you get this model and you connect that model with Amazon SageMaker model monitoring and the endpoint, then you can provide an API by using the AWS HTTPS API services, and then finally, at the target, the people can, public can access your model, or your company can access your model and make the prediction there. So this overall process seems like a little problematic, but don't worry, in the coming lesson, in fact, in the last section of this course, I'll be showing you how you can deploy your machine learning models and the production there. In fact, I have another course which tells you that how you can deploy machine learning models. You can find out that at the My Udemy course, at the My Udemy profile. So there I have taught how you can deploy the machine learning models with the help of the AWS services. Alright, so this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching this. I'll see you in next one.